Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use HiTeach 5 with other teaching resources outside of HiTeach, integrating them together for teaching. When you are in HiTeach, you can click this icon to minimize HiTeach. It will be at the lower right corner, and I can open other teaching materials. For example, I want to use this PowerPoint, and at any time in my teaching, I could click this pen icon over here to screenshot it into HiTeach as a page, and I can use HiTeach function with it. And if I want to minimize HiTeach again, just click this icon again. If the teaching resources you want to use with HiTeach is a video or animation, HiTeach has a special function for that. In Teaching Aid, there's a function called Screen Annotation. Click on it, and you can see a mouse icon has appeared. Click on it, and you can use the page outside of HiTeach while keeping the toolbars of HiTeach. And then I can combine it with my teaching. And if you want to close this function, just click the previous page or the next page. The above is the introduction of how to use HiTeach with other teaching resources outside of HiTeach.